Hi, the aim of today's video is to describe why project management is important, the importance of project management. We see innovation and change in our life every day. Whenever it is in the area of such as technology, healthcare, construction, or even space exploration. Each of these innovation is typically brought to us by a team of smart people led by a project manager. According to the PM book, the definition of project management is the application of knowledge, skill, tools, and techniques to the project activities to meet the project requirement. That means, if you look at this definition based on the PM book, the project management is the application of knowledge, skill, tools, and the techniques applied to the project activities to meet the project requirements. This is my knowledge, experience in a particular field or education or learning. We are getting the knowledge, and then skill, the ability to do something well, and expertise. So experience and when someone is working in a particular field or have the specialized education, then the person get that knowledge. And skill, so some people has that ability or expertise for doing some things. And tools, the device are implemented to use to carry out a particular function. That means some devices or instrument that is implemented to do some particular activities. And then techniques, a way of carrying out the particular task, especially the execution of performance of an artistic work or a scientific procedure. That means when the knowledge, skill, and tools and techniques are used to the project activities to meet the project requirement, that is project management. Then, and the project management is accomplished through the appropriate application and integration of project management process that are identified for the project. Project management enables the organization to execute the project effectively and efficiently. When an organization has a effective project management in place, the organization gets a lot of benefits. The organization also get help from the effective project management. That means they meet the business objectives. They achieve the satisfaction of the stakeholders. That means they get the satisfied stakeholders. And the more predictable, increase the chance of success, resolve problem and issue, deliver the right product at right time. That means when the project, if an effective project management in place, that means we are going to meet the business objectives, our stakeholder will be satisfied, the chance of the success will be increases, the problems and issue will be resolved soon, deliver the right product and right time, optimize the use of organizational resource, the manage the constraint, scope, quality, schedule, cost, resource, manage change in the better manner, identify, recover, or terminate falling projects, balance the influence of constraint on the project, increase scope, may increase the cost of the schedule. That means when there is a effective project management, we can optimize the use of the organizational resource. We can manage the project constants like scope, quality, schedule, and resource. So balance the influence of the constraint. You can balance the influence of the constraint. Also, when the project management in place, we can manage the change in a better way. Then poorly, if we manage the project is poorly, or if there is no project management in place, then what is to happen in the project? We can miss the deadline. We need to do lot of rework during the project, and the cost can be overrun, and the expansion of the scope of the project cannot be controlled. That is uncontrollable expansion of the project. That means that we are also going to deliver a poor quality product. Then we are going to lose the satisfaction of the stakeholders. That means the unsatisfied stakeholder will be there. We are also going to lose the reputation of the organization and failure to achieve the objectives of the project. Then effective and efficient project management. When the effective and efficient project management in place, the tie the project result to the business goals, the organization will be sustained. Compute the more effective in the project. Response to the impact of the business environment change on the project by appropriate adjusting the project management plan. That means then effective and efficient project management in place, then that we are going to achieve the business goals and organization will be sustained long term. Thank you for watching this video.